Ajax sells percussion bits into the construction, automotive, industrial, and some specialty markets for the percussion tools, for air hammer and electric hammer and hydraulic hammers. And we're very proud of the fact that we make a product like a chisel, and then we carry over 2,500 different types of chisels in stock, from a chisel that weighs a half a pound up to something that could weigh 3,000 pounds. That variation in length and points and styles has grown the business and grown our need to have technology in our plant to do those things. I have 4 brothers who I've had the pleasure of working with here at Ajax Tools. Most of us have been here well over 25 years. Our grandfather and father started the business in 1946. I mean, everybody here is family.
Innovation is very important. We have, over the years, invested heavily to stay ahead of the techno curve so that we can produce high-quality parts quicker and more efficiently, and then also expand our ability to deliver new products.
We take a lot of pride in manufacturing in the U.S. It's been our goal and our passion to continue to manufacture here. All the steels we use, all the labor we use, everything goes into the product right here in Franklin Park, Illinois. The continued reinvestment in this company has opened lots of doors. This current relationship with industry area suppliers is a big step in future growth.